In this video, I will show you how to upload a story on Instagram from your PC. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, I'll be using Google Chrome, and what you're going to want to do first is come across to Instagram.com and log in to your account. Now on the Google Chrome browser, what you're going to want to do first is come up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, give this a click to bring up a menu. Then what you want to do is come down to where it says More Tools, and then go ahead and select Developer Tools. Now it's going to go ahead and open a window like this on the right hand side. So what you want to do from here is actually, if you look at the top, you've got a little toolbar and you want to click onto this icon here, which is like a picture of like a PC laptop with a phone. What it's going to do is actually put your Instagram website, so Instagram.com, and you can see it's now appearing as it would on a mobile device. So now all you need to do is go ahead and refresh the page by clicking the refresh button up here. Then what you want to do is come up to the top and you can see the plus button up here. So you can just go ahead and click this with your mouse. Now you can see we've got two options, post and story. So of course what you want to do is click onto story. Then what you can do is go ahead and add the images to your story. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and add this one here. So you can see we're now on the story edit screen. So it's exactly the same as on the phone. As you can see, we got the different tools at the top. So we can add like text, for example, and we can change the color. And of course you can do things like add the stickers to your Instagram story as well. So once that's done, all you need to do is come down and press at the bottom where it says add to your story. And what it's going to do is actually post your story. It's going to upload your story to Instagram from your PC. So now if you look at the top, you got your story. So if we go ahead and click onto this, it's going to show my story. And here we are, you can see the picture that I've just uploaded to my story from my PC. So that is how to go ahead and upload a story on Instagram from your PC. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.